Hi everyone, welcome to your PD and this is Shobha. So this video is all the ones who are preparing for campus placement. You see that automobile company is quite competitive in nature. There is lots of competition. Talk about Honda, which is manufactured in Japan, Hyundai, which is headquartered in South Korea. Now you see that with the rise in EVs also, the demand in automobile industry is going to increase. It's going to be in a boom and it's a very promising sector too. Now, if the company like Hyundai is coming to your this campus for the campus placement interviews, make sure that you know all the essential pointers which are very important for your interview preparation. Now let's get started where I'm going to guide you through this documentation which carries all the essential pointers which are required, which you need to know about Hyundai. From coming to the competition and market, about the products which they are dealing, about the awards which they are getting towards management committee of them, everything would be there under this documentation, and this complete documentation is available on your PDF panel. Just make sure that once you're done with the documentation, there at the end you will find some of the expected HR questions. So just have a good learning of those HR questions, because what is required is, because whenever you go for any organization, what they want is that you have done a good research for that organization, and that is expected too, because you want to be a part and you showcase your passion and research for that organization. Obviously, you're going to get an extra star for that. Now let's get started. What this document carries, here I'm going to give you a glimpse of that. So basically it is about where it is headquartered at and when it was founded, who founded it out. Then it is basically where it is wholly owned subsidiary of Hyundai company HMV, and it is carrying a huge network that is of 1366 sale points and 1550 service points across India. Now there are always some of the segments that you need to be understanding. What are the new introduction which is being done by Hyundai, what are the EV segments, EVs में कौन कौन सी introduction हुई है, तो कुछ आपको examples या segments पता होनी चाहिए. Now whatever there is in the red, that is something that you need to understand. They are the highlights related to that company. Now the manufacturing plants कहाँ पे हैं, तो that is very obvious कि आपको पता होना चाहिए इंडिया में हमारे Hyundai के manufacturing plants कहाँ पे हैं, locations कौन सी है. दो ही है manufacturing plant इंडिया में, that is your in the Indian states of Tamil Nadu, and both have combined annual capacity of 60,000 units. That is here why it is the activities. There is a highlight. What are the activities of that? That is कि कब establishment हुई थी, first car कब आई थी, किया मोटर्स ने एक्विजिशन कब कर लिया, मार्केट कब एक्सपैंड हुआ है, हाइब्रिड में कब आया है हमारा Hyundai, then it is launch of Hyundai's motor group luxury brands Genesis, expansion into hydrogen fuel cell technology, and strengthening the commitment to EV production in 2023. Then is the company's management. Now it is chairman आपको पता होना चाहिए, who is the current CEO, where is the headquarter of it, managing director कौन है, और Indian headquarter कहाँ पे है. Indian headquarter हमारा तमिलनाडु में आता है. कितने हमारे plants आते हैं, 2 plants आते हैं. Actual में headquarters का main headquarter साउथ कोरिया में आते हैं. Managing director कौन है, current chairperson कौन है, ये आपको कुछ management related part and parcel है, which is very important for your awareness. Next it is the vision and mission on which Hyundai actually works. So the company works on the progress for humanity, that is to build innovative and sustainable mobility solutions for the future, and to develop the cutting edge technology and lead the automobile industry towards cleaner, smarter and more connected future is your mission. Now what are the product and services? अब क्या है? There are a range of products, like I told you a year wise highlight. कब फर्स्ट कार इंट्रोड्यूस हुई थी, कब वो ईवी सेगमेंट में आए, कब ये हाइब्रिड में आए, कब हाइड्रोजन फ्यूल कैपेसिटी इंट्रोड्यूस हुई है. उसी तरह से इट इज अनदर सेगमेंट, कब प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज कौन कौन सी आती हैं. तो पैसेंजर कार कौन सी है, ईवीज कौन सी है, कमर्शियल कौन सी है, हाइब्रिड कौन सी है, ऑटोनॉमस और स्मार्ट मोबिलिटी सॉल्यूशंस क्या क्या है. तो इससे आपको पता होना चाहिए सेगमेंट्स कौन सी रन कर रही है करंटली ऑफ Hyundai. फाइनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस, कितना रेवेन्यू मिल रहा है, कितना प्रॉफिट ओरिएंटेशन चल रहा है, तो मार्केट में कितना एक्सपेंशन है, ऑब्वियसली मार्केट ग्रोथ के बारे में आइडिया होना चाहिए. रीसेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स उस पर काम कर रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली ईवीज की एक्सपेंशन चल रही है, और ईवीज की एक्सपेंशन को कैसे मार्केट हम ज्यादा बेटर कर सकते हैं. हाइड्रोजन और सॉफ्टवेयर की इनोवेशन में क्या काम हो रहा है. CSR activities, that is something a benchmark of any organization which is working and has a you can say fixed capital gains or above working for that has to perform certain CSR activities. अब Hyundai ने अपनी CSR activities किन चीज़ों में engage की हैं, वो चीज़ों के बारे में, and this could be related to education, environment, health. So basically आपका जब आंसर बनता है that why you want to be a part of Hyundai company, You can link the answer to the mission and vision, which is being you can say link it with your mission and vision in your life. Second, it could be the CSR activities, the promotion, the sustainable goals which Hyundai offers. It could be also the third important aspect where you tell about the recent awards and recognitions, that it is coming, it is becoming a market leader, it has entered multiple dimensions. All these things can help you give a benchmark towards your answer. कि वर्ल्ड कार परफॉर्मेंस है जो उसको ऑनर किया गया था, द ड्राइव्स बेस्ट ईवी ऑफ 2024, कार्बर्स बेस्ट ईवी ऑफ 2025, न्यूज़वीक ऑटोज अवार्ड 2024 गोल्ड अवार्ड. तो कौन से अवार्ड्स बने हैं? नाउ बीइंग एन इंजीनियर, आप हुंडई में क्यों आना चाहते हैं? तो ऑब्वियसली आपको बहुत ज़्यादा करियर वाइज बूस्ट है, इनोवेटिव कल्चर आपको मिलता है, प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट है, सस्टेनेबिलिटी की तरफ आप कमिट करके रखते हैं, ग्लोबल आपको क्या मिल रही है? रिकॉग्निशन मिल रही है. सो दिस इज समथिंग अ ब्रीफ विच आई शोकेस टू you that what are the most important pointers that you need to know about Hyundai. Now in my another PDF there is a complete documentation list where I have always discussed about the expected HR questions that could be asked in your interview. Now once you're done with the documentation, don't forget to download the documentation, keep a pic of the highlights that you need to revise, and last but not the least, go for the HR documentation. The questions are there, and then you just practice the questions in your snap sessions and your mock interviews. Take care guys, all the best, and keep on your preparation high. Bye bye.